Welcome to another edition of Johnny Investing. Other people trying to sell you something, I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a wonderful show for you today. Today we're talking about another exciting biotech company called MYMD Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. MYMD Pharmaceuticals. So this is a clinical stage, actually, pharmaceutical company, and they are looking to develop drug products that hopefully will transform aging, age-related diseases, autoimmune diseases. They're looking at chronic pain, anxiety, sleep disorders, and I really hope that some of these therapeutics could be really well designed and can increase, human lifespan. So let's go right to the leadership team. You know how it's very important. If you listen to this channel, I think leadership is extremely important, especially with these biotech companies. So Dr. Chris Chapman is president, director, and chief medical officer. This is the type of guy I really like to see in charge. I mean, he's got a lot of experience growing divisions from no employees to 40 employees, including 8 board-certified MDs, registered nurses, pharmacists, medical writers, support staff. I mean, that's a sign of leadership. I mean, you really need to have these biotech companies. You need great leaders because great leaders, they know how to adapt. They got to be long-term thinkers. They got to know how to adapt. Dr. Adam Kaplan, this is another superstar, MD, PhD. You know I like to see these A winners, go getters, and these MD, PhDs, he's the chief scientific officer, has a lot of experience with, really top-notch universities, Johns Hopkins University. He was principal neuropsychiatric consultant to Johns Hopkins, Center of Excellence. He's also been the director of ketamine clinic at Johns Hopkins, psychiatry, neurology. I mean, this is the type of thing you want to see in your leadership team. So I'm really excited about this leadership team they got going on. So let's go to the pipeline. Now, this MYMD1, it's in phase 2 trials, and you're going to say, well, there's only 2 drug candidates here, but these 2 candidates are huge. So MYMD1, this is really their big medication, small molecular drug. It's an alkaloid plant, and they're hoping that this medication, they got a bunch of indications, 5 indications here, which is pretty exciting. Supposedly this drug can cross the blood-brain barrier. I mean, that's exciting in itself. They have a lot of indications: sarcopenia, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes. If it's able to, show this pro-inflammatory modulator by inhibiting tumor necrosis factor alpha, IL-6, IL-17A, that's a big deal. And that's really could help a lot of patients with rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis. If it shows any ability to help out people with sarcopenia or aging, that's another big factor. Diabetes type 2 is a huge population suffering from type 2 diabetes. So this could be really incredible. I'm really excited about this MYMD1 as a immunometabolic regulator. As far as the super CBD, yeah, that looks great too. It's supposed to be a derivative of a synthetic CBD. Now, it is only preclinical, so I probably will watch to see if they get into phase 1 trials, what are going to be some of those primary endpoints. So let's go to the stock price. So we look at the stock symbol MYMD. MYMD. As of today, it's trading at $4.37. Now, I do like this company because, you look at the tumor necrosis factors inhibitors, etanercept, infliximab, adalimumab, certolizumab, galumimab. All of those, you know what they got in common? All given IV or injection. This MYMD1 by uh, MYMD Pharmaceuticals, given orally. It's given orally. So I'm definitely going to look at these shares very closely. I will probably get some shares. I'll continue to monitor the progress of this phase two trial to see where it goes. Look at the primary endpoints. If they get approved to move to phase three, that would be very exciting. Um, and like I said, I'll keep looking at those primary endpoints. I'll keep giving you guys updates. If you like these videos, please make sure you hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. That really helps the Google algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.